Is your Ninja SLUSHi running normally, but your drink isn't freezing? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in most cases, it's easy to solve. First, check the ingredients you're using. If your mixture doesn't contain enough sugar or has too much alcohol, the machine may not be able to freeze it properly. A sugar content of at least 4% is recommended, and if you're making an alcoholic drink, keep the alcohol level moderate. Adding a little syrup or reducing the alcohol can often fix the problem. Next, make sure your drink is already cold before pouring it into the machine. Starting with a chilled mixture helps the freezing process and gives much better results than using a warm liquid. Also, don't fill the container above the maximum fill line. Too much liquid can slow down freezing because the machine has to cool a larger volume. Staying within the recommended limits helps it work more efficiently. Another important tip is to let the machine finish its entire cycle. Stopping it too early can prevent the drink from reaching the right consistency, even if it looks like it's taking longer than expected. If you've tried all of these steps and your Ninja SLUSHi still isn't freezing, the issue could be the cooling system or another internal component. In that case, check the product support options or consider replacing any faulty parts. That's it for this guide. Hopefully, one of these tips gets your Ninja SLUSHi freezing properly. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.